Hello comrades! Hey guys, it's the second day of the project and it's really cold outside today, it's like 2 degrees Celsius. But no excuses, the sooner I can fix the car, the sooner I can sell it. So, what is the plan for today? It's actually very simple. First I have to empty the trunk and I have saved this. I'll do it with you, because I guess you're just as curious as me what's inside there. And there's a lot of stuff. So we'll jump inside in a minute, and after that I have to wash the carpet, wash the back seat because it's moldy, and clean the interior, and I guess that would be for today because I only have a couple of hours before I have to go to the fitness. Let's go! Here we go! This is the trunk. Actually, before that, let me educate you about what you need to work on a car like this. There are 3 things: gloves that I'm putting on right now, because I have no idea what's in the trunk. Shitty clothes that you don't care about, and a lot of them if it's cold outside, like today. And shitty shoes that you don't care about and you can throw away. Let's go. So what's inside? This is the box from the stereo. I'll use it to sell it separately because it's worth approximately as much as the car. So we will leave this aside. Ice scraper. I'll keep that. Oh, this is a pump, a working pump, probably for an air mattress that is not inside here. Oh, and by the way, there were some quotes that I have already thrown away, and also some tissues. Here's a picture that I decided to throw away immediately. I guess in a way. There is a rusty tow hook that I'm not going to need. Oh! One more piece. Okay. These things that are also rusty and I need to paint are actually the holder of the battery, which was missing, and now it's not missing anymore. Some plastic stuff, more plastic. There's a trash can here actually, and I have started using it. Pen, I don't need this. Some tools, 11. Rust. Can you read this? I can't, because it's rusty, like the rest of the car. Yay! I guess this was used for towing the car. I don't need it, goes to the junk, trash bin. I guess this is supposed to be used for cleaning the windows, so I'll keep this. A set of pliers, which are rusted shut. Oh, I'll fix them later. Interesting. You see? Can you see this? SW out. This is a subwoofer output, which means that the car had a subwoofer at some point of time, but it has been cut, and there's obviously no subwoofer. So this goes to the trash. Oh, a set of zip ties, which are going to come in handy. A tow rope. I hope the car has been used for towing cars and has not been towed itself. Castrol response brake fluid. Almost empty. I don't need this, or at least I hope I don't need it. Wiper blade. Oh, those are actually fine. Oh no, they are not. They're junk. And those. This is brand new. This is brand new. Okay, I'll use it. And this is brand new as well. Very fine. Very fine. English advanced. Very nice. Okay, I'll keep those and I'll probably use them for the car, because the wiper blades it has right now are complete trash. They're just non-existent. So I'm keeping this, and this is trash, so it goes to the bin. This Antifreeze, cheap one, and no, it's not used. I hope I don't have leaks from the cooling system, but we'll see, so I'll keep this for now. I have some lug nuts for tires, but maybe I'll keep them, we'll see. Bingo seal! This was... oh, yeah, junk, trash. A plastic cover, which is from there. It's from there, okay, I'll keep this. More lug nuts. So we've got, oops, 7 so far. This is something plastic. I don't need it. Is this water? Automotive archaeology at its finest. So it looks like water, but the bottle smells of oil. I don't know why. But I guess I'll just throw this away. Just let me close it. Okay. Some more plastic stuff that I don't need, I hope. Screwdriver, rusted. Maybe I'll try fixing it. Some bolts that I don't need. Ooh. Braking fluid, which goes to the trash. I really hope this car doesn't have a problem with the brakes, but we'll see. Something. Nothing, actually. Goes to the trash. Oops. Oh, this is actually the cover of the car, the interior. So I guess I'll need it somewhere. So I'll keep it. And this is the last thing. Oh, there's something. We've got more lug nuts. More plastic that looks like the interior. So I'll keep this. And those... oh, I guess those are actually spacers. They should be for the second set of wheels. Because yes, the car has a second set of wheels. And they're actually fine, but I'll have to fix them a little bit. Paint them and maybe save the car with them. And the ones that are on the car right now, the brand new ones with the good tires, I'll sell separately so that I can make more buck out of them. Business. And that's it for now. We keep the plastic here. This is a huge pile of dust. Oh! A roll of toilet paper, which goes directly to the trash. More tools. This one is not rusted actually. No, it is. There is rust. Yay! This goes to the bin. Just another bolt. This is not original, I guess. There is a spare tire. Oh, some pieces of tissue, I guess. Oh, and a bar, because we're in Bulgaria. If you want to fight someone on the stoplight, this is what you use. Welcome to Bulgaria. Yeah, that's it. Here, let me grab the camera. This is the trunk, those are the speakers, and this is the wooden cover, which is definitely not original, and the spare tire beneath it. Well, this is not everything actually. You see, this is the trunk, here is the wooden piece, and if I lift it, this here looks like a barber shop or something. Why is every old car full of hair. I don't know, I mean, have you seen this? Let me show again. It's full of hair. The vacuum cleaner is going to hate me for this. Anyway, here is the spare tire. Rusted as well, but I'll fix it eventually. I want you to see the condition of the spare tire. Just a second. So this is it. Automotive archaeology part 2. So what was beneath the tire? This is the thing that holds it in place. And let me... This light bulb, another pen, another bolt, something which is going to the bin, some more plastic, and wires for the speakers. And as you can see, it's really comfy in here. Yay! So this is the piece from the trunk, and I have seen a sticker on the bottom part of it, which says Завод Напредък Пловдив, секционен шкаф. Which in translation means that this thing used to be a part of some furniture. Nice recycling, I approve. So we have some progress. The trunk is empty, and I think I'll remove this and wash it with the back seat and the carpet. You pull this upwards, you stick your finger here, pull upwards, and we have it disconnected and ready for cleaning. Guess what this is? Rust. One more thing, you should always keep the parts from the car organized, because otherwise there's no way you're finding them again. You see, this is the glove box, which used to be broken and didn't open, and now have broken it more, and now it doesn't close. But here, in this box, I'm keeping everything from the interior, so that when I have to assemble it again, which I hope is going to be soon, I have all the parts that I need to do this fast. Now it's time for the carpet to go out, and I'm going to use my newfound tools to do this. So I have spent the last hour and a half trying to disassemble this here and here, and those two are just not going out. And I have also noticed that I'll have to remove all of this to remove the carpet. So I guess the carpet is staying in, and I'll clean it in place, because I have already lost too much time. Well, here I continued disassembling and cleaning the interior, and next time the car will be in the garage already and many new parts will be already purchased. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!